Welcome back, everyone. 2 days ago, Poolside has introduced Laguna S2.1, one of the most capable model up to date. And it is open source. The size is 118 billion, 8 billion activated total parameters, but it can do a lot than those models which has many times size than it. It is small enough to run on a single NVIDIA DGX Spark. Laguna S2.1 is fully open and it is uploaded on Hugging Face also, and you can run it on NVIDIA. It has been compared, as you can see, with the GLM 5.2 and High 3 model, and you can see the result on the screen. So you can see all the games which has been made using atomic chart, and the result is awesome. This Laguna S2.1 is capable to do more, but the size is lower to be run on hardware, but it can do a lot per coding. So don't miss this opportunity. And the best part is that it is free that we can use. So let's go now through the blog of this. As you can see, it has been compared with these models: Tencent High 3, Inkling, Kimi K3, DeepSeek version 4, Cloud Fable 5, MuseSpark 1.1, and Queen 3.7. You can see the benchmark on the screen. It has been compared with these top models. And go through this blog. As you can see, this is the terminal benchmark and open weights. As you can see, it is here. Even best than Minimax M3, DeepSeek version 4 Pro, DeepSeek version 4 Flash, Pin 3.6, and others. It is doing, and it is on the top from those open source models. So don't miss this opportunity. I will show you where you can get this model for free and use it, test it, and even you can use for your daily work tasks. So let's get started. Okay, there are many providers where we can access this Laguna S2.1 for free, like OpenCode, KiloCode, Klein, and many other provider has posted that this is free to be used. But we will go through KiloCode. So simply I will open VS Code editor. So I have installed the KiloCode extension and I will now test that. Okay, simply just come here. You can search for KiloCode here. KiloCode, search this extension and install it. You can use the CLI tool of KiloCode also. But I have already installed this extension on VS Code. Simply click this icon of KiloCode and we will try it now here. After opening the chart of KiloCode, as you can see here, we can select a model. Okay, so simply just come here. Let's wait. So the Laguna S2.1 is selected already. Simply search here for Laguna. So after searching that, you will see it from Open Router also and from other provider. But go to the Kilo gateway and find here Poolside Laguna S2.1, which is free. You can see the free page with that. Select this model and start chatting with this model. Like first of all, I will just chat with this. Here we can change the mode from code to ask. Simply ask, hello, which model is this? So failed to send my agent required check was superpass. Simply, I think that is the result of my internet connection has been blocked on KiloCode. So let's try it once again and simply press enter. Hello, which model is this? You are currently using the Kilo Pulsar Laguna S2.1 free model as specified in the system prompt. But if you would like to now chat with this, like create something, a landing page or a game, so it will do that. I will just test it just for a snack game. So I have opened a folder and now here I will just try to create a snake game in a single HTML file. Press enter. So now we will test and try the result of this Laguna S2.1, how it is doing. So the game snake.html file has been created. Now let's open it and check the code first of all. As you can see, this is the code, and right click and open an integrated browser. So it will be run here. Look at, so let's play game. Simply we can fix this just by, we'll just describe it. So we can't play game at end over without touching the border. So fix this. Let's describe it. So it will now fix this issue for us. Let's wait. So the bug has been fixed. Now let's try it once again. Simply open and integrate it terminal and let's play it again. As you can see, that is very fast, but we should be, yeah, that is very fast. We cannot control it. So I will just fix this also. So it is how vibe coding is. Okay, whenever you are facing error, so you should fix that. Just I will in a single message, I will declare it to the model. So it will fix this issue also. So I just explained the snake is too fast. I can't control it. It directly crash with border. So just control the speed. So it will fix this issue also. Then we will try once again. So the issue has been fixed. Now let's run once again, reveal an integrated browser. Okay, that's it. Now we can play it. Okay, let's play it. As you can see now, it is good. That is okay. So it is all about this snake game that we have built using this Laguna S2.1 model by Poolside. So you can use it inside open code client and other provider also give free access to this model. So it was all about this, the introduction and the test of this model. If the video was helpful, please hit the like button and also leave a comment if you have any issue, and also subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.